Alright guys, I just wanted to give you a couple more examples of graphing when you're given your equation in standard form. So we're going to do number 6 and number 9 from the homework, which were not assigned to you, but it will at least give you a couple more examples. So I'm going to start with this top guy. It doesn't matter which one we start with. Always, we're trying to get y alone, so we always add or subtract the x first. So it's positive to begin with, so we're going to subtract 5x from both sides. And I'll get 4y equals negative 5x minus 12. Now that I've done that, I want to get y all the way by itself, so I'm going to divide each thing by 4. These 4 cancel, and I'm left with y equals negative 5 over 4x. Negative 12 divided by 4 is a negative 3. So I'll go ahead and graph this one. My y-intercept is negative 3. Go down to negative 3. My slope is down 5, right 4. Down 5, right 4. So down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't have room to do it again, so instead of down and right, I'll go up and left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that should be enough for me to make a nice straight line. We want to be careful with our lines because it becomes important once the second line comes in that we have them cross in the right spot. Okay, so there's the top equation. Let's go ahead and do the bottom equation. You always add or subtract first when we're trying to get y into slope-intercept form. So I'm going to go minus 3x from both sides. And I'm left with negative 4y equals negative 3x minus 20. Divide everything by negative 4 to get y alone. And I get y equals, those are both negative numbers, so 3 over 4x and negative 4 divided by negative 20 is positive 5. So this says our y-intercept is a positive 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my slope is a positive 3 over 4. So that means go up 3 and right 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going away from my line, so I'm not going to keep going up and right. I'm going to take and do just the opposite and go down and left. So I'm going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and left 4. 1, 2, 3. Right there, that's going to be our solution. I do want you to go ahead and draw the line in. Right here. And so the solution to our system is at negative 1, 2, 3, 4. And then up 2, so positive 2. So that's our solution. Let's do number 9. Okay, number 9 also has both equations in the standard form. So we're going to start with the top one. I'm going to need the 3x to move to the other side, so I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. And I'm left with negative 2y equals negative 3x minus 16. I want y alone, so I'm going to divide off the negative 2. And I get y equals, those are both negative numbers, so it turns positive. 3 over 2x, both negative, so they become positive, plus 8. So my y-intercept is at positive 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And my slope is go up 3 because that's a positive number, and right 3 because that's the positive direction. I don't have room to go up and right, so I'm going to go down and left. Down 3, 1, 2, 3, right, left 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, left 2. 2, 3, left 2. That should be enough to get a nice straight line. You only need 2 points to make this a line, but more points helps you make sure you stay on the right track once you start drawing it. Okay, so we'll do our bottom equation. Just like we did at the top, move the x over first. And I'm left with y equals negative x minus 7. Y is alone, so that's the end of our equation. So we're going to start at negative 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And my slope, that's really a negative 1. So that says go down 1 and then right 1. So down one, right one, down one, and that again is going away from my line. So instead of down and right, I'm going to go up and left. And this takes me back towards my, so that's going to be our solution. You know you hit it as soon as you hit the line. So we'll come in and we'll draw our nice straight line. And we're going to name our point. -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -6, -1. So hopefully that helps you. You can play this video again a couple times if necessary. And come in, I'll be here in the morning if you have any questions. See you tomorrow.